You're probably sick of browsing online and coming across get-rich-quick schemes that never work. Well, we're here to help. We teach you on this channel how to make money online by doing a fraction of the work that the average person does. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any new uploads about making money. So, let's get right into it. I want you to visit joinupvoice.com. You need to use Google Chrome for this to work. Let's take a look around this website. If you join the UpVoice research community, you'll start earning gift cards just by visiting your social media platforms on your computer. After you sign up, just install the UpVoice browser extension. It's safe and easy to use. Then, as you browse, UpVoice gives you daily points that can be redeemed. Sounds easy, right? Of course it does. You're doing practically nothing other than browsing on your computer. The data you share makes everyone's browsing experience better. You can actually have an influence on how big brands advertise their companies and products, and all you have to do is browse normally. UpVoice have great ratings and a fantastic reputation for payments and rewards. It's so simple. Members of the UpVoice research community earn points just for browsing their social media feeds, just like they normally would. You can even earn more money for completing surveys about your browsing experience. All of your data is safe, and they have a strict standard of compliance with all privacy regulations. So click on the Sign Up button at the top of the page, and you'll be taken to the page which gives you the option of how you want to sign up. Once you've signed up, install the extension on your browser and you can visit social media platforms. Imagine just making money from going through all of your social media feeds just like you would any other day. I really hope you find success with this method. Please consider subscribing to this channel and leave us a like if you enjoyed the video. Check out our other videos on how to make money online. Until next time, take care.